Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to look at the stock price of Royal Caribbean Cruise Limited, and this is one of those businesses in the recent times where pandemic hits everything. The industry or the particular sector has completely stopped. Okay, when you are talking to cruise, traveling, transportation, so everything has been halted, and this is one of the sectors which has hit the worst. But now, with a little uh, time which we have spent and gathered the data about the virus and the current health crisis, we know the extent of the damage which the virus has made and what we could probably do in the days and in the months to come. Okay, so we are hoping for the best and let the vaccine releases very soon in the market so that everybody gets healthy and moving to their normal routine as soon as possible. So with that, if you look at this trend, if you look at the stock price movement, there is something very interesting which is happening. So from the lows of March 2020, the stock has already risen 264 odd percent, and with the kind of trend it is showing, it will soon reaches towards its previous high of 2019, which is at around 133 odd dollars. So that's the thing you need to look at, because the stock is available since 1993, and there was a breakout which has happened in the year, I think probably in 2016 and 17, and the stock has started consolidating since 2018 and then made a crash in the late 2019. So the breakout has happened in the year 2014. You can see here. So what we could probably do is dividing this particular script into two parts. Okay, so let me just draw the important support and resistance lines so that you can understand what I'm trying to say here. So just focus on these lines. Okay, here. So what you could probably see here is this. Now this is also a support, so we can't ignore this one. Yeah. So this is pretty much it. So when I'm saying divided this trend into two parts, so this will be a first part, okay, where the stock has spent most of its time. Then we had a breakout and a breakdown because of the crisis, okay, and stocks fallen down, and then again it went up very sharply and it crosses the resistance line. So that's the big thing you need to understand here, is this, that the resistance which has been there, and the stock made a breakout in 2014, stock again goes down and retest its 2011 lows and risen back very sharply from that part, is indeed very much heartening and very much positive. So your first two immediate resistance will be at around 15, between 50 to 56 odd dollars, and your immediate, if you want that I want a quick support which is very near to the current price, is at around 66 odd dollars. So the stock is trading at 70, but looking at the current momentum of this stock, there is no denial that the stock will definitely go and retest its previous high of 138. Although there are some minor resistance which is available in between, so like this, your intermediate target you can consider it as. So your first intermediate target or resistance will be at around 102 odd dollars, and then we have 138. So this will be the big trend, and probably the kind of movements we have in the stock price nowadays. So this kind of 200-300% move is nothing like what is an Herculean task if you're looking 10 years back. So right nowadays, I mean, 200% is just a matter of a week. So, but though it sounds funny, but this is the scenario, but this will increase the risk as well, because what you are doing meanwhile is shortening the share price cycle. What we could probably, like, if you are going 20-30 years back, what you could expect from a stock price in a span of 30 to 50 years, now you are doing the same thing, you want the same thing, or the stock is giving the same thing or the same kind of return in a span of 3 to 5 years. So the cycle has been squeezed or has shortened by 1/10. So you can, what else you can expect? So that is the problem, and you should know about your risk. If the stock's going higher and you are very happy with that, but you should know the levels which you should expect and beyond which you should be a bit aware about the uh, rise in the share price, and you should, hold yourself for that. So for the time being, 138 is the thing, and once it crosses that, then the big trend will start. And for that, what you could probably do is this. Okay, so this can probably your trend line, and beyond 138, $139, once the stock sustain over that level, what you could probably do, yes, so here you can see a trend. Okay, once it happens, what you could probably see a range which will form in between 182 to 270 to 80 odd dollars. So that will be your future target or resistance, because we don't know the exact price or the price movement where it actually hits. So we know about this line, but we don't know about the exact price. So we can consider this line as our target or resistance line, and we can expect a price in between 180 to 270 to 80 odd dollars once the stock holds and sustain above 138. So if you want, there is a intermediate target or resistance which will be there, and it is in between 158 to 243. Okay, so there are two hurdles. So if you are a bit risk averse, you can consider this one beyond 138, so 158 to 243, and it will probably extend to 180 to 280 dollars in the time to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.